And we are live, guys. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to talk about a specific development that is coming to a city in Ontario. Now, this is going to be part of our pre-construction series, whereby we're going to talk about different pre-construction projects that are coming to, I would like to say, Canada in general, but would specify what cities these projects are coming to. So for today's project, we're going to talk about who the developer is, what incentives they are offering, the occupancy dates, the floor plan, the deposit structure, and finally my favorite part, which is the purchase price. You guys are in for a treat. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, I would like to ask you guys a quick question. Now, have you smashed the like button on this video, or have you even subscribed to the best real estate channel in Canada? I don't know whether I'd say in Canada or Ontario. You know what? Actually, have you subscribed to the best real estate channel in Canada? If you haven't, then I'll suggest you do that right now. I'm just gonna wait for you guys just like a little bit. Okay, let's dive in. Anyway, so what's the name of this project going to be? Now, the name of this project is Reside on Richmond, and I'm not sure that's the name that they will put like on the building, like the front of the building, but that's the name of the project. I usually wonder how these developers like come up with the names of their project. Probably they have someone who comes up with it for them. But anyways, this project will be built in the city of Toronto, and it's going to be at the major intersection of Richmond Street and Bathurst Street. Now, not everyone would obviously know this intersection, but for those people who live in Toronto, you would know these intersections. Now, this project is going to be a condominium, and it's going to have 18 floors with 216 units. So for those of you that are scared of heights, then you should be able to get into this project because it's just 18 floors, so that's not that high, right? Now let's take a quick segue and talk about who the developers are. Now, the developers of this project are Originate Development and Harlow Capital. Originate Development was founded in 2017, and they currently have about 7 projects that they are involved in as of now. 5 of those projects are in the planning phase, and the other 2 projects are in the selling phase. Now let's go to Harlow Capital. Harlow Capital is a Toronto-based private equity company, and they invest in real estate developments across Canada. So it's fair to say they are the ones who are basically funding the project, or they fund most of the projects that they are involved in across Canada. Now let's get back to the project itself. So this project has an estimated occupancy date of sometime in 2027. So if you plan on buying into this project now, you need to be very, very, very patient, which is kind of always the case for like a pre-construction. So let's quickly go through the incentives they are offering for this project they call Reside on Richmond. First things first, you're gonna see the Reside on Richmond, and then this is the platinum promotions, right? Now they have 2 different types of extended deposit structure, which I'm sure we're still going to touch on, but let's just quickly go to like the incentives. So first of all, for this platinum package, they're offering discounted parking, which is, it was previously $150,000, but they're now pricing for $125,000. Now, parking is a big issue in a place like Toronto, so I kind of get why the pricing is this way. If you also want a locker for your units, they're also discounting that from $25,000 to $18,000. So another incentive they're offering is the cap development charges, which is a junior 2 suites and smaller, which is going to be at $15,000, 2 bedroom and 2 bedroom plus den, which will be $19,000, and then 3 bedroom suites and larger at $22,000. I think this is my favorite out of everything, which is the 2-year rental guarantee at $7 per square foot. Also, they're offering $500 as assignment fee plus $1,250 legal fee. So instead of you paying $5,000 for like assignment fee, they reduced it to $500. Now, most people who are going for pre-construction usually kind of want a development that the developer would be offering free assignment, which means they can assign the contract or the units before it's been built to another buyer. What I would like us to touch on next is going to be the floor plans. So here are their different floor plans. So this one is suite A355. I think this is their smallest. This is their smallest unit, and just imagine this is 355 square feet. This is very, very tiny. Like, I don't know how the government or the planning committee, like how they approved this to be built. So this is probably going to be like a studio. So this is like your entryway, and then to the right here is your your full bathroom. So even if you have visitors, this is where they're going to be using the bathroom. And then you go straight down. So this is like a long hallway, and your bedroom is also at the right. Now the thing with this bedroom is it doesn't look like it has doors, so you don't really have that much privacy as you think you might want to have. And then you go straight down, and then you have your dining and your kitchen. So I'm not really sure where like there will be an entertainment room here. I'm not really sure where there will be a couch, a TV, but you probably have to figure that out and then put that right in front of you. I don't know. But that's this is the smallest unit. Yeah, let's look at the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Now this is 684 square feet inside, right? So this one, obviously you're coming in from here. This is your entryway, and then to your right is one bathroom, which I think this is going to be the one that the visitors would mostly use. And then you have one bedroom here, a little bit of privacy, your kitchen, island dining, your couch, center table, and then your TV is going to be somewhere around here. And then you have the second room, which I think this is going to be the primary bedroom, which is the master bedroom. And then you have your own full bathroom here as well. Now let me take you to the deposit structure, and we're also going to look at the pricing for this project. For the platinum promotion, this is kind of one of the things that I like pre-construction for, the extended deposit structure. Now they have two different structures. So they have the standard deposit structure and the platinum deposit structure. Now the standard is $10,000 on signing. So the day you sign the documents, you're going to pay $10,000 after you've signed, and then you have to balance to 5% in 15 days. Then 5%, so this is like 5% of the purchase price. 5% on April 2nd, 2024, 5% on April 2nd, 2025, and then 5% on occupancy, which is January 2027. So that's when they're probably estimating they're going to build, like complete the whole project. Now for the platinum deposit structure, you're paying $10,000 on signing. You balance to 5% in 15 days, which is almost like the standard deposit structure, and then 2.5% on April 2nd, 2024. For here, you're paying 5% on April 2nd, 2024, but they split it for you to 2.5% at first, and then another 2.5% on November 1st, 2024. So you're paying 2 payments in 2024. You're paying just 1 payment here in 2024, 1 payment here in 2025, 2 payments here in 2025, and then complete to 5% on occupancy. So that's the deposit structure. Now let's go to the pricing, which is kind of like my best. So the pricing for the studio, which is, so can you remember that one A355 that we saw? That I was like, this is the smallest unit I've ever seen. The starting price is $599,990. Now look at where it says lease amounts. Now everything here on the lease amount, this is the amount that they are probably going to guarantee you for the 2-year rental guarantee. So the next one after this $599 is the $722,000, and this is for a 1-bedroom for about 456 square feet. If you know you're going to be interested in this, just reach out to me and I will be glad to get you the full details of this project. Like the other prices that they have here, I think this is the most expensive one, which is a 3-bedroom 2.5 bathroom units, which is about the interior size is 1,072 square feet, exterior, which is like the balcony, is 630 square feet, and a total of 1,702 square feet for a price of give me 1 minute, let me catch my breath. 1.99, let's just say 1.9 million. You know what, technically let's say $2 million for a 3-bedroom 2.5 washroom unit, and they're going to be guaranteeing you $7,504 for 2 good years. So there you have it. Reside on Richmond. So if you're interested in this project, or you know someone who would be interested or who would benefit from this project, please reach out to me and I will send you the full package of this project. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. Stay blessed, guys.